Hey, buddy, can you come outside and play, buddy?
Fuck no.
Buddy, can you come outside and play? Buddy, can you come outside? Hey, buddy. That's a big bone. Guys, you want to know a killer ass deal? So I literally just went to Burger King. Alright. It's called the King's Meal. And you get 2 cheeseburgers, fries, and a drink. Alright. For $3.80. No bullshit. I got... I don't even know what's the point of that, but... Guys, Leo, didn't I just pick up 2 cheeseburgers, fries, and a drink for $3.80?
Yeah.
You guys are sleeping on this deal, guys. Go. It's not sponsored by Burger King, but guys, this deal is freaking outrageous. Go right now. Now. Hey, Leo, what's going on? Why is your D-Max tail lights off, and why do you have that centerpiece? Why are you taping the... What's going on?
Trying to get people pissed off.
That's some very fine taping, by the way. No cap. Yeah, we have a Domani trunk over here.
Domani?
Yeah. Oh shit. Hey, how much clout does this give me?
Like 5 degrees.
Sheesh. That's all I need. Looks good.
Alright. The paint skins are all fucked up.
Hey, what you got there?
What?
What is that?
The nightshade.
Red nightshade? Customize and restore? What are you restoring?
Is this restore? Oh yeah.
What are you restoring, Leo?
Those lights.
Oh shit.
Oh, someone sprayed it already.
Oh, what kind of bunks? What kind of bunk? Damn, they're giving us used product.
Oh well.
As long as it's not dry and clogged.
I hope not. Alright, Gucci.
Hey, when she says she's not on her period no more, but you go in anyways, and you find out she lied.
Let's see. Oh, what the fuck?
It's all watery.
Yeah.
Alright, nozzle's acting up, so good thing there's all these cans on deck, guys. You just switch these nozzles over. So hopefully that fixes the problem, because yeah, it's leaving a little drippage, kind of leaving some big dots, but hopefully this nozzle works better.
Kinda does. Oh yeah, it does. Way better.
And you guys laughed at us for painting so many things. See? We thought about the future.
Color you gonna do yet or not?
On camera, it looks like almost like you night shaded the tail lights.
Really? Oh fuck, it does.
Alright guys, it's like literally been like a week later from when the tail lights and that centerpiece got painted. So yeah, finishing this video is long overdue, but it looks pretty dope, guys. And that center color that he used was just I want to say, was it Home Depot? No, it wasn't Home Depot, but it was a random color that he got, and it's almost paint matched, which is pretty cool. But yeah, guys, on camera these taillights look a lot darker, but they're not. It's just because the sun's down, but they look really dope actually. Like they're like a cherry red. Right now they look like a not cherry red, but they came out really dope. Also, he got fatter tires, so it looks. See, this was the vision, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
No fucking 165.
Yeah, guys, it looks pretty dope on these tires. Tires do an amazing thing.
Machines.
Where's Mini Machines?
Right there.
Jose. See, guys, look at this shot. Tires.
That side looks gangster because it's lower.
Yeah, this side is slower for whatever reason.
Unless maybe one thing's not low,
Probably.
Look at that, guys. Tell me it doesn't look better, because it does. It looks way better. How was work, buddy?
Same as the last year and 2 months.
Yeah, I feel you. You say you want to get wheels for the CRV?
Yeah.
What
Probably
kind?
some more stocks, but 18s.
Oh, okay. What are those? 16, 15?
Those are 15.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I know on the track, right?
Some 17s are really hard. Huh.
17s are small. I mean, those are solid.
Huh. So 17s, huh? I wonder who has 17s.
That's pretty mint, too.
Yeah.
So today, me and Leo actually went all the way to Long Beach to pick this
Oh, you
up.
gotta go to Long Beach?
Yeah.
Fuck. Damn.
Mint
Should've said what's up to
privacy
Vince Staples.
cover. Is that Vince Staples?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. This came off. It's fucking old as rubber.
Say every time. Fucking old ass rubber.
No. Hey sis, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I had to capture it. I'm sorry. But I'm throwing it in still. Like I'm sorry I had to capture
Old
it.
ass rubber.
Anyways, let's just pretend we didn't hear that. But yeah, now Leo just needs the sunroof glass. So if any of you guys have one, let my boy know. If not,
Was
he
that
found
140
one,
or the
another one in LA, but
Yeah.
year.
Around here, maybe, I think.
Yeah.
So this is where this piece would go, guys. Need some latches though. But yeah, guys, so you know, no one's looking what you got in your trunk, you know.
Nice.
It's kind of weird. You can't be carrying around, you know, personal belongings without people scoping out, you know.
I'll just leave it in here.
Like, how you supposed to like just stash your dildos back here? You know?
Perfect. Cargo trip.
Hey, shout out to our plug, Limitless Behavior.
Should we lay them all out? They might fly away though.
Nah, we should be good. I don't think the wind should get in here.
Oh, damn!
My boy moving bricks.
Literally. Got these Batman pajamas.
Go
Must
check.
be nice. Fuck
Must
that
be
nigga.
nice. Yeah, guys, we got a whole care package.
Oh, I'm gonna get this one.
Hey, Leo's already rocking it.
Really?
Yeah, I already got one.
Ooh. Got you. That must be Jesse's. This one's definitely Joseph's. I already know that one. That boy depressed. See what else we got in here.
Yeah, guys, so shout out to Limitless Behaviors sending us a whole care package.
Oh,
Go
shit.
check him on Insta.
Jesse.
Who's Jesse?
Right there, IES.
Oh,
They all say that.
I know. But I don't.
You
On
don't?
Sundays.
Oh, yeah, of course, not on Sundays. That's
Yeah, it's the Lord's Day.
Guys, so, fuck. I got, fuck, my nuts. Ah, shit.
Still dry?
Hey guys, so, you know, perks of having a 240. You meet 240 friends. Even though Leo already knew him before, but I'm gonna act like I know him because of this. He put up his headlight.
Probably like what, like me in the front? That's nice.
Oh yeah, by the way, those are 15s, guys. just putting that out there.
15, you're too small for you, boy.
Hey, what's going on over here? What's up, bro?
Yeah, it goes on the stock. Hold it. And then there's that. 50 bucks? Yeah, it's the whole thing.
I think it's clean, dude. Let's get you 40s. There's already two S13s, so we can get S14s.
I want an S16.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Marcel's craving mozzarella sticks, so you already know we're gonna get some mozzarella sticks because if you want, baby, I'll do anything for you. Oh yeah, guys, I also got tied. So yeah.
What? Wait. Oh shit! Wait. Let me see. Wait. What? Wait. What? Oh.
Yeah, you see it now? Guys, it's not even like on some depressing shit, it's just like, it's on some real shit, you know? Marcel, stop.
What? I'm recording. Hey, give me that booty. You gonna give me that booty.
Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like if you did, if you guys are new, subscribe. And you know, vlogs are lit, guys. I'm gonna try to upload like at least 3 times this week.
4 times.
4 times, fuck it, 4 times. But
and if anyone needs a Damani front, 600 bucks.
oh yeah, guys, so Marcel is also parting out his car too. I don't know if I said that on video, but hit him up. He sold the Damani trunk already. You still have the bumper?
Yeah, the bumper, everything, just not the front. I have the whole front clip still. That's about it. So the bumper, no, the trunk, tail lights, wheels, other shit. Yeah, so front end, 600 firm.
Yeah, guys, so hit him up. Also, he is gonna get a regular EK front end with the EK trunk. So if he throws on the front end and the trunk, he's gonna sell his car for 1,000, right?
Yep.
Yeah, guys, so it is gonna be mismatched, but I mean,
It runs.
it runs.
It's gonna have coilovers already.
Yep, so $1,000, guys. If you're interested in that, just wait until he slaps on the regular front end again, and $1,000 Civic stand. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
$1.02.